I mean, come on, just look how wide this thing is, man. It's crazy. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fantasy Motorsports. My name is Justin, and I've got a really fun project for you guys. Now, starting up front, we went ahead and did a full custom wide body kit on this C6 Corvette. This is actually a base model, and we went ahead and did a Z06 Plus body kit, doing really nice wide flares in the back, same thing up front bumper to match. It's actually factory too, which is the coolest part. After that, we went ahead and accentuated the body even more. We did a full carbon fiber aero kit, from the front lip, the side skirts, rear fender flare extensions, a rear deck lid spoiler, as well as a rear diffuser. Now, obviously, since we went with a wide body kit, we can't just put the regular factory wheels back on, so we went ahead and threw some Forgestars on there, wrapped in Pilot Super Sport 345s in the back. That's a lot of meat, man. Back to the side of this beautiful C6 Corvette, we went ahead, like I said, and did a full carbon fiber aero kit on it, which you can see right here with these beautiful side skirts, which we extended with these back fender flares here. We added some little tiny details as well. We did the rear vent in carbon fiber, as well as the front fender 2 vents in carbon fiber on both sides, of course. Back here in the back of the C6 Corvette, we went ahead and did that rear deck lid spoiler, which looks absolutely beautiful and very aggressive. We took off the factory black diffuser. To be honest, it was a bit boring. Went ahead with a full carbon fiber one as well. And to give it that full monotone look, we went ahead and did the white taillights as well. Now, obviously, after doing all this beautiful work, we definitely want to keep the car protected. So we went ahead and wrapped it in a complete Ceramic Pro Gloss PPF to give it that rock chip protection, incredible shine, self-healing technology to keep this thing looking as beautiful as possible for many years to come. Thanks for joining me again today, guys, with this beautiful C6 Corvette. Make sure you guys like, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more videos just like this one.